Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a contact in Salesforce. This is a simple but important step for managing customer relationships and keeping your CRM data organized. Let's get started. On the Salesforce dashboard, to create a new contact, all we need to do is click on Contacts on the left side of the dashboard. Once we're here, we just need to click on Contacts. This is where we can add contacts, import them, or add them to a campaign. We can also send emails and assign labels from this section. To add a new contact, we simply click on Add a Contact or Create a Contact. Here, we can fill in the contact's details. We can choose a salutation here, or leave it blank if we prefer. We can then enter the first name. We can also add an account name. We'll enter one here as an example. Next, we can add a phone number and email address. Once we've filled in all the details, we just click Save. If there is no account yet, we simply enter the account name and then click Save. If the account still doesn't exist, we can create one in the Account section and then save. And that's how we create a contact in Salesforce. With this simple process, we can easily manage customer information and keep our CRM up to date.